In 1997, a network of underwater microphones designed to detect secret Soviet submarines picked up something else. It was an ultra-low frequency, extremely powerful sound from a remote corner of the Pacific Ocean. Scientists nicknamed it the Bloop. First, it was incredibly powerful. The sound was detected by sensors over 5,000 kilometers, 3,000 miles, apart. For a sound to travel that far, its source would have to be monumentally large, far more powerful than any known animal on Earth. Next, the sound profile resembled a living creature. Unlike the sounds of earthquakes or volcanoes, the frequency profile of the Bloop changed rapidly, making it sound more like it was produced by a living organism than by a geological event. This led to intense speculation about a massive, undiscovered sea monster. This fueled years of speculation. For years, the official source of the Bloop was a mystery, leading people to believe it could be a creature like H.P. Lovecraft's Cthulhu, or a surviving megalodon, or a colossal squid far larger than any we've ever seen. The Bloop was a real sound, recorded by advanced hydrophones. But what were these listening devices originally for? Next time, we dive into the history of deep-sea exploration, from military secrecy to scientific discovery. To join the first explorers, make sure you're subscribed. The mystery was finally solved in 2005. After analyzing new acoustic data, scientists at NOAA concluded the Bloop was not a monster. It was the sound of a massive icequake, an iceberg cracking and breaking away from a glacier in Antarctica. The sound profile was consistent with the fracturing of ice. Finally, there are still other mystery sounds. While the Bloop has been explained, other strange sounds from the deep, with names like Julia, the whistle, and slow down, have been recorded. While most are likely ice-related, the ocean continues to send us mysterious signals from its unexplored depths. Time to solve this acoustic puzzle. In what year was the Bloop first detected? The sound was so powerful it was heard by sensors how far apart? The official explanation for the Bloop is not a sea monster. What is it? Let me know what you think is still making noise down there.